Hi guys!
Hi!
Hello! So kami ay pupunta sa... Where are we going?
I'm going to
What? McDo! We're going to the Apiary again.
Mountain Camp and Farm.
Wow, complete name.
Yeah, a mountain farm.
Wanna see the monkey?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the monkey?
Hey guys! So dito kami sa Apiary and nahanap namin si Avi. Pero nandun na daw siya. Bumalik na siya kung saan kami kumakain kanina for lunch. Bigla kasing nawala. So pababa na ang kids doon.
So this is what we came here for, this magnificent view that's worth every step, pagod, hingal, and pawis. Sobrang worth it talaga yung pag-akyat dito sa view deck. Okay lang, kainin.
Oh, smile.
Dito lang.
Hi.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given.
So we just stayed here for a bit, just soaking in God's creation, itong napakagandang nature that God provided for us.
Where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Hey, fly. So what if you, what if you, what if you?
Ano ka tinapok?
And hopefully,
So that's it for this vlog, guys. The trip was short, this vlog even shorter, but it was very, very memorable. It was a very special moment for us kasi with the pandemic, 9 months na since nakasama namin yung parents ko and na nakapag-bonding kami together. So the trip was very, very special to us. I didn't vlog that much, kaya rin super short itong vlog na to because I want to be in the moment. I want to really experience it, you know, hindi yung focused ako sa pag-video or pag-picture, ganyan. So anyway, just want to share this with you and want to, you know, post this here in my channel to sort of immortalize it para we can look back, we can watch this video again when we grow old. Really, this is the reason why I vlog, because I just want to document life as it is, and it's always nice to have these videos to rewatch and look back to again and again. Again, we're so thankful, praise the Lord for the opportunity to go here at the Apiary. So if you guys are looking for a place where you can bring your family, this is a place that I can recommend. Yun lang, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it in a way. Thank you for being here. See you guys again in the next one. Bye.